right away the ratchets are in a better angle for grabbing. I can feel that. The knee position feels really good in this. They've padded the knees out a lot. There's a nice amount of padding, probably the most padding I've seen in a boat. There's these flappy things hanging down. Okay, just filling up it here in Flatwater. Once again, I mean, I check stability when I first get in, and this feels very stable. It's got a good stable feel. This is the medium large, so it is the bigger one, and I'm sitting around about 185, 190 right now, and this thing feels like it fits me perfectly, everybody. Very smooth on how it feels just sitting right here in the water. Very kind of like balanced. It doesn't feel like it's going back too far. It doesn't feel like it's too much rocker. It feels like it's just very well balanced. The planing surface gives you that ability to just spin this thing around very easily. And that tail back there is there to be kind of tail loaded with those new kind of like boost moves off of waves and holes. You'll come down and you'll kind of like turn, come off that rocker and go. That feels really good. Overall, this thing feels good just sitting in the flat water right now. The outfitting has actually got better. It's hard to say that Dagger's outfitting has got better. The one drawback that Dagger's had for years has been those crappy thigh braces, and they finally upgraded to a good solid pair of thigh braces. You know what? You know what everybody likes to know? How does it roll? Let me try a back deck first. Well, it rolls easy on the back deck. Rolls easy on the front deck too. Woo. All right, I'll just do my normal kind of lap. Well, there's definitely an edge on this thing. This is a sporty creature. I can already feel it. Try to catch this corner. You know what I'm feeling? Number one, this thing is quick and nimble on spinning around like that. I'm feeling that it's coming down, it's hitting a drop, it's immediately rockering up and taking off. It glides over boil lines like this. This is a very boily area. Watch how it just glides over that. It's big and planing throughout this surface here. And like I was saying earlier, it feels like it's floating me really high out of the water. Like it's not as deep in the water. This hole will give you a good indication of what it's going to do in drop, right through the middle up here. That is definitely different. All right, let's see how it catches this little micro eddy here. We're going to cross bow into the micro eddy. Interesting. That was quick. And right through the middle of M-Wave and see what it does. Oh, you can almost bounce off that side of the stuff. So when you hit a hole, you kind of just launch over top of the hole. a little long for that. So this is a 9-foot boat, but it doesn't feel like 9 foot. You're sitting right in the center of it. Ooh, I like the way that feels. Not bad. I mistimed my stroke. This thing is quick on turning. The ends are out of the water for me, so it spins around fast. This is why you want a sporty creek boat. Like a half slice, I can do this easily. Never done it in a creek boat. That felt good on that one. I'm gonna try to do it all kind of quickly in one move. Now the blast eddy over there. This thing gets around the river nicely. Woo. Now blast over to that eddy. I can do it in here. There's the ferry there. And then just blast across. Back on that stern, on those edges on that stern, very nicely. That was a good move. It's hard to get in a creek boat. Now let's just blast over this. Woo! Off the back side. Woo! Fun. Oh, it's a lot of fun. Oh, the sport creeker market just got even better. So yeah, there it was, everybody. Kind of like a quick first impressions on the Dagger Indra. Definitely will have some more content coming soon, so see you on the next video.